Okay, now is the time to densification of our point cloud. Actually, the triangulated point clouds what we got from our previous step is rather some sparse cloud. It is difficult to make 3D models with this sparse cloud. To densify the point clouds, you make sure that the triangulation item is selected from the repository, and then you select the dense point cloud from the workflow. So it will pop up another window and ask you for some input. There are a few methods for the densification process. There is, for example, like clustering view of multi-view stereo, like CMVS, PMVS, or multi-view environment, or SMVS. You can go through these methods, different methods, and select which is best suited for you. There are a few other sliders that you can decrease or increase and check which is best suited for you. Usually I keep it in default, but the developer advised to start with level 1 or 2 and cluster size maybe 2 or 3. And if it produces too much of outliers, that is noises, so you can increase the threshold limit here. For this example, I will just increase the threads to highest 5 and leave all the settings as it is, and I will press OK. So it will start densification process. It may take few minutes. I will come back when it finish. When the densification process is completed, you will get a beautiful dense point cloud of the frog here. It's gorgeous. At this moment you can create surface, you can export the point cloud, or you can export the scene, whole scene, to the MeshLab. Unfortunately, Rigger 3D do not have any kind of tools to clear the unnecessary points that has been produced. So we need to go to the MeshLab to complete the workflow. We'll export the scene first to the MeshLab. Just click this button and show the location. So we are going to save it to the exercise files, MeshLab files, and here. After export, you will see the folder has the images, the models, and the MeshLab file that we need for further processing. Well, you can export the point cloud and by clicking this one and show the desired location. It will only export the .ply file format. If you still want to create surface from the Rigger 3D, you can select the create surface button, and as we previously used the CMVS or PMVS method, Rigger 3D only give you the option to Poisson surface reconstruction, not the other method. For colorization, you can select both color vertex or textures. You play with the sliders and press OK for the desired output.